Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bani and today we will be talking about the night shed. So this is this amazing capsules that says that once you have these two capsules at night before sleeping, like 30 minutes before, you would shed weight. So it is actually like fat burner capsules. We will be talking more about this. So first of all, I've received this PR package from Inno Supps. So we will be talking more about the company and the product. So the company is Inno Supps and they have multiple products, but the one that I have received is Night Shed. So I still have to try my hands on this and after that I can give you the reviews, but for now it looks very exciting to use and it says it is fat burner, it is a sleeping aid, and it also supports appetite, and also it is a stress burner. So we have to take 2 capsules every night before we sleep, but the cap should be of 30 minutes before we sleep. So I'm really excited to use this. Now let's go onto the website and see what are the benefits and how does it work. It says Night Shed maximizes the quantity and the quality of your sleep, which is great, while priming your body to accelerate the fat burning process. Amazing. Experience a soothing sense of relaxation and deep sleep cycles. So what I've understood out of this is that it helps you relieve the stress, it gives you good sleep, and if you get good sleep, obviously you can reduce fat, you can burn your fat, you can reduce weight, because if you don't get proper sleep but if you're dieting, the weight doesn't shed. So that's one thing. It's gluten free, lactose free and soy free. Also it is vegan friendly. So I think it is great. So I'm really excited. Quality sleep is vital to good health and weight loss. The best ingredient for effortless fat burning. Okay, nice. It minimizes the morning hunger. The metabolism doesn't rest. And also it boosts your GH levels, which is great. So I'm really excited to try my hands on this. And last thing I would want to tell you, this tub has 30 servings, that is 60 capsules for 1 month. Okay, so you would take 2 capsules every night if interested. And if you guys want to order, I would put the link in the description box. And I will also put the discount code in the description box. You can use my discount code and order these. Okay then, bye.